Jai Hind all of you. My name is B. Amulya, MSCS first year. I am from Telangana Social Welfare Residential Armed Forces Preparatory Degree College for Women. Today I am going to tell about the maximum and minimum of the functions. First we will look into the conditions for maximum and minimum of the functions. If the equation is given, we have to find the dou f by dou x is equals to 0, dou f by dou x is equals to 0. That means differentiating the equation with respect to x and with respect to y. Afterwards, we will find the value of r, s and t. R is equals to dou square f by dou x square, s is equals to dou square f by dou x dou y, and t is equals to dou square f by dou y square. Now we will look into the certain conditions are there, so that for which we can find the maximum and minimum of the values. If rt minus s square is greater than 0 and r greater than 0, it has the maximum value. If rt minus s square greater than 0 and r less than 0, the function has the minimum value. If rt minus s square is less than 0, the function has the minimum or maximum value. Now we will look into the example so that it will understand a bit better. Now the given equation, that is f of x comma y is equals to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. Now when we differentiate the equation with respect to x, that is dou by dou x is equals to 2x plus 6x. When we differentiate the equation with respect to y, that is dou by dou y is equals to 2y. From this we can find that the value of x is equals to minus 3. The value of y is equals to 2. The value of y is equals to 0. The function f of x comma y is equals to, the value is minus 3 comma 0. Here this is the point where the curve changes its direction. Now coming to these values, we will find the value of r, s and t. R is equals to dou square f by dou x square, that is 2, and s is equals to dou square f by dou x dou y, that is equals to dou by dou x of dou f by dou y is equals to dou by dou x of, what is the value of dou by dou y, that is 2y. Now differentiating the equation with respect to x, it becomes 0, so the value of s is equals to 0, and if now t is equals to dou square f by dou y square, t is equals to dou square f by dou y square, that is equals to, the value is equals to 2. Now checking the conditions, rt minus s square greater than 0, that is equals to r, what is the value of r, that is 2, and t is 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 0 whole square, that is greater than 0. And now we will check the condition of r greater than 0. What is the value of r? R is greater than 2. R is greater than 2. So the condition is satisfied. Now this has the maximum value. Now we will check at which value the function is maximum. Here nothing but we substitute the values, this f of x comma y values in this equation, that is x square. Now what is the equation? X square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. Here substituting the value of minus 3 comma 0, that is minus 3 whole square plus 0 whole square plus 6 into minus 3 plus 12, that is equals to 9 minus 18 plus 12 equals to 3. And this is the value where the equation has the maximum value. And hoping all of you understand this video, and thank you. Jai Hind.